Okay, so the question was, can we raise binomials to negative powers, and can we raise? Oops, I'm crooked. Can we raise it to? Can we raise it to fractional powers, or can we raise it to negative powers? And the answer is we will be able to. Now the book has formulas, but once we finish calculus, we'll be able to easily do this. But the question is, can we do something like 2x plus 3 to the negative 1? Can we expand this out? Well, you could do long division. You could, 2x plus 3 goes, into 1, because this technically is 1 over 2x plus 3. You could do long division. So, technically, this you could write, to the fourth, to the third, to the second, to the first one, and then do long division, and you would get something. You can try that on your own, but an easier way is to take the lessons we learned in the series and sequences when we looked at infinite series. And the formula, what we saw is when we have not an infinite, but like a geometric series, right? And actually we do it infinite, then we can see that, like 1 plus, or rather a plus ar plus ar squared plus ar to the third ad infinitum was actually equal to the first term divided by 1 minus the ratio. And so when we look at this, we say, wait a minute, this looks like this. So we can transform our expression into something that looks like this, and then we can simply expand it out. And so let's take 1 over 2x plus 3. The first thing I'm going to do is just switch this around. Okay. Then I'm going to pull out a 3. And I'm basically done. And I'm just going to rewrite this last step. I'm going to rewrite this as 1 divided by 3 times 1 over 1 minus negative 2/3 x. And I have everything I need to expand to raise a binomial to the negative first power. So this technically is 1/3 times 1 plus negative 2/3 x plus negative 2/3 x squared plus negative 2/3 x to the third ad infinitum. So if I want to go out to 4 terms, this is how I would do that. And I would multiply everything through. Final answer, I would have 1/3 minus 2/9 x. Let's see, this is 4 plus 4 over 27 x squared minus, we have minus 8 over, what is this, 27 times 3, 81 x to the third. And so this is one method. So if you take it, once again, rewrite your binomial to the first power as 1 over to your expression, and then manipulate it, pull out the factors so you have it like the sum of the infinite geometric series, and then you can expand it out. So this is our first introduction to raising a power to the negative 1 power. Raising a binomial to the negative 1 power. Raising it to the negative 2, it's a little more elaborate, and to the 1/2, even more. We'll talk about that. You can investigate that on your own, or we can wait till we finish the calculus unit.